grade into Math Module 13, decimal place value. What is the combination? Oh no, you forgot the combination to the bicycle lock. Use the clues to figure out the combination. The combination is a 4-digit number with all different digits. Okay, so you can't have anything the same. The value of the digit in the thousands place is 300 times as much as the digit in the tens place. Okay, so it has to be pretty a little bit bigger, right? Okay. Then the value of the digit in the hundreds place is 20 times as much as the value in the ones place. The value of the digit in the tens place is 70 less than the value of the digit in the hundreds place. The digit with the least place value is 5. So we have to figure out where the 5 would go first, guys. Where would that go? In the, you said the back, so that's the ones place, right? Okay, and then it says the value of the digit in the hundreds place is 20 times as much as the value of the digit in the ones place. So what would that be? 100, but it's in the 100 spot, so we'd have the 1 in the 100 spot, right? Okay. Then going back to the value of the digit in the tens place is 70 less than the value of the in the hundreds place. So 30, but it's already in the tens place, so it's just 3. Okay, and then it says that the value of the thousands place is 300 times as much as the tens place. So what is that? Well, that would be 9,000, but we're already in the thousands spot, so it would be 9. So, or well, I guess we don't need the comma because it's not. That's just the combination, right? 9, 1, 3, 5. Are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills you will need for this module. So represent tenths and hundredths. Write the amount shown as a fraction and as a decimal. So number 1, how is that a fraction? How many pieces do we have? 10, right? And how many are colored in? So 7. So 7 over 10. And then as a decimal, I'd write that as 0.7. Okay, next one, how many total pieces do I have? 100, right? So that's my denominator. How many are colored in? 38, and then I write that as 0.38. Okay, so write less than, greater than, or equal to compare the decimals. So we have 6/10 compared to 6,300. Now, what can I do to have just as many place values? Can I add a 0 here? Yes. So if 1,600 is what? Less than 6,300. Okay. 1 in 4,000 is less than 1 in 4,200. 2 in 7,000. I want to have the same amount of place values, right? So I could add a 0 in here because 2 in 7/10 is equal to 2 in 7,000, right? Okay. So 2 in 7,000 is equal to 2 in 7,000. We just said that, right? Okay. So 5,800 is less than 6,100. 1 in 2,200 is less than 1 in 30. Oh, yeah, 1 in 3,200. 3 in 6/10 is greater than 3 in 5/10. So basically, we want to get our place values to hold the same amount, right? Whether it be 10 or 10 hundredths, thousands, right? Okay. So write the equivalent decimal in hundredths. So basically, all we have to do is add a what to the end? 0 to hold our spot. Would be 3 and 40 hundredths. This one would be what? 2 and 80 hundredths, right? Number 11 would be what? 10 and 10 hundredths. Write the equivalent decimal in tenths. So basically we need to do what? Drop the zero at the end, right? Now what if it wasn't a zero at the end? Can we just drop it? No. Okay. But technically right now it's just holding a spot, right? Because it's at the very end. So this would be what? 6 and 5/10. This would be 5 and this would be 4/10.